Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all for class 7 subject maths. So today we are going to continue with our topic, that is perimeter and area. Now here we are going to learn the applications of perimeter and area. Where is it used in our daily life? Now for example here it is given that a rectangular path is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the path. Find the area of the path. Now see this is the path inside. They are constructing what? A long rectangular here. It should be constructed, right? Then only we can say this is a path inside. It will not be open. Only the gates will be there. Right? This is the boundary of the path. Now how much actually the area of this path they are saying, the boundary. That we have to find. Let mark ABCD here. ABCD for the path. The rectangular path and the shaded area represent 2.5 meter wide. How much they have taken the width? 2.5 meters. Okay, the path they have covered. So now after that, to find the area of the path, we need to find the area of this rectangle. Right? Area of the rectangle, that is PQRS. The full we will find, then we will subtract inside the area of the path, then we will get the path, this area. Are you getting my point? First we will find the area of the full which is covered with the path and the garden. So PQRS we will find, then we will subtract the garden here ABCD. We will get the actual area of this path, how much it is being constructed. Clear? For that, now we will take the formulas here. What it is, that is ABCD will become length into breadth, area of a rectangle. Formula is L into B. Even for PQRS is a rectangle, the formula will be L into B. But what is the width here? Length and breadth. That is, the length is 30 meters and the breadth is 45 meters. Right? That for the ABCD length will become 45 into 30. Okay, 45 into 30, that gives you the answer 1350 meters square. What about the PQRS now? For PQRS, what you have to do is you should add up now. Now 50 here means 45 means this is also 2.5 and here also 2.5 is there. No. This side 2.5, this side 2.5. So 5 plus 5. Same way, here 2.5, here 2.5. Correct? So this will become 35 and this will become 50. You can see here, PQ will become 45 plus 2.5 and 2.5. This is the width 2.5, 2.5, 50. Then with this 2.5 and 2.5, that will become 35. So what is the area of PQRS? That is 50 into 35, 1750. Now what is the area of the path? Area of the path is rectangle PQRS minus rectangle ABCD. Okay, that is 1750 minus 1350. That gives you the answer, that is 400 meters square. So now we will take the other problem here. Two crossroads, each of width 5 meter, run at right angles through the center and of a rectangular path of length 70 meter and breadth 45 meter, and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of 105 per meter square. Now here they have given an area and they have to construct the roads here, the parallel roads. You can see here, this is one road and this is the other road. You have to find the area of this road and you have to find how much cost it will be for constructing. Okay, area of the cross road in the area of shaded portion. You can see we have shaded the portion here. The area of the rectangular part, that is PQRS. This PQRS will make one rectangle. And here one more rectangle, that is EFGH, the road. Okay, this is one road which I have taken one rectangle. This is the parallel road which I have taken one more rectangle. But while doing this, the area of a square, you can see here, this is a small square. It is coming for both the roads, correct? Is taken twice, which should be subtracted. First we will form, then we will subtract this small one time, then we will get the area of these two roads. Okay. Now what is the measurement now? What measurement we have to take the roads? It is given in the question, that is 5 meters. Okay. PQ, the width should be 5 meters and PS, the length should be 45. Both it is given in the question, how much down the road should be. Then again EH is 5 and then EF is 70 meters. Okay. And what will be this path now? This path will become how much here? This is 5 meters, right? PQ is 5 means KL is 5. And what about KN? EH is 5, therefore KN is 5. Are you getting? This measurement is given, therefore we will get KL. PQ is given, therefore we will get KL. Clear? Now let us find the area. Area of the path is equals to area of rectangle PQRS plus area of rectangle EFGH minus the area of KLMN. Okay. Now we will find the area, that is length into breadth there. That is PS into PQ. For what? PS and PQ, length into breadth. Then EF and EH, length into breadth. Minus KL into KL. Okay. So here you can see the formula there. Now we know the measurements, right? Here we have already noted the measurements. So substitute the measurements here. 45 into 5 plus 70 into 5 minus 5 into 5. Once you multiply this, 225 plus 350 minus 25. That is equals to 550 meters square. This is the area of the roads. But what is the next question? Also find the cost of constructing the road at the rate of 105 per meter square. For 1 meter square, 105 rupees. For 550 meter square, how much? Means multiply here. Okay. 105 into 550 will give you how much? That is 57,750 rupees to construct these two roads. So we will start off with the exercise here, that is exercise 11.3, 11.4. The first one you can do by yourself, then the second. The first one is as same it is how we did now. The next here, a 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular path of length 125 meter and breadth 65. Find the area of the path. It is similar how we did the first example. Okay. It is same like that. You can see here the path we have to find here. So what is given? The inner rectangle and outer rectangle. Instead of the naming, I will take inner and outer. It will make it easy. Instead of PQRAS ABCD, take inner and outer. Inner rectangle length is 125 and breadth is 65. What is given there? 3 meters path, right? So you should add 3 meters for both. You can see here for outer rectangle 125 plus 3 and plus 3. That makes 131. And breadth. Breadth is what? 65. 65 again it is 3 and 3. All the places it is 3, right? Plus 3 and 3, that is 71 meter. Okay. Inner rectangle is so much. Outer rectangle is so much. So path area will become outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. Okay. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. Okay. So minus this one. So once you multiply and subtract, you will get the answer. You should do the working by yourself. Now here we will take the next here. A path, fifth question from the exercise 11.4. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of the path, the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden. It is again the similar way. You can see here there are two, that is this is a garden and the path here outside inner square and outer square. It is in the form of a square. Square will not have length into breadth. All the sides will be equal. That you have to keep in mind. This is the difference in this question. They have given only the side 30 meter. Why? Because it is a square. Square, all the sides will be equal. Rectangle, it has length different and breadth different. Okay. So here same it is, only square is given. You should remember and take that is 30 meter. Outer square and inner square. And how much it is being extended? 1 meter from four sides, right? So what happens? Outer square 30 meters. It is given outer. Find the area of the path. It is outer given. There we used to add. Here we have to subtract. Okay. So outer is 30. What will be the inner? Means minus 2. It will become 28. Okay. So path area will become outer square minus inner square. Outer is, that is here for the square, length into length, a square, side into side. Okay. 30 into 30. Again inner square, that will become 28 into 28. So now here you can just multiply there. Okay, subtract. You will get the answer. From that, what we have to do? Again the remaining path. That is remaining portion area is equals to outer square minus path area. How much it will be remaining? Okay. So that you have to take, and again what is given? The cost of planting grass is in remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 into 40 you have to do. Whatever the answer you are getting here, you have to multiply with the 40, then you will get the exact answer here. Now here the sixth question, two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angles through the center of the rectangular path of length 700 meters and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its side. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the path excluding crossroads. Give the answer in hectares. Okay. Now let us draw the figure first. Okay. Two crossroads I have drawn. Okay. First road and the second road. So what is given? 10 meter width. Cutting at the right angle through the center. And then 700 meters to 300 meters. Here this is the 700 meters and this is the 300 meters of the space. In that they have constructed 10 meters road across. Okay. Rectangular space is 700 into 300. The space inside the road is 10 into 10. Okay. Now find the area of the roads. How much space is taken for the roads we have to find. And what we have to find? Find the area of the path excluding the crossroad. Excluding this, give the answer in hectares. Okay. So now road 1. The first road. What is the length? Length is 700 meters. The length is same. But the breadth we have taken is 10. Okay. The same way road 2. What is this one? Length of this road is 300 and the breadth is 10. So what happens here? The total area of the roads is equals to road 1 area plus road 2 area minus the common. Here we are getting the common space. So what is the space here? 10 into 10. So first road is 700 into 10 plus second road is 300 into 10 minus 10 into 10. Are you getting? Yes. 700 into 10 will become 7,000. 300 into 10, 3000, 10 into 10, 100. So 7000 plus 3000, 10,000 minus 100, that will make it 9,900 meters square. What is this? This is the area of the roads. Now what they need, this we got the first answer. The second what they are saying, give the answer in hectares. Okay, 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. What it is? This you should remember. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. This is meter square. So divide by 10,000, you will get the answer there.